A new exercise. So we will be working on this exercise where we will be showing the count of the numbers of the word event for each country and year. So I've already downloaded the file. What we have to do, we have to load that Excel workbook. I will click on load, and this is the word event. I will click on load, and let's see how many sheets we have in this. We have 4 sheets. I will click each sheet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will click on load. So this is how you can load the 4 sheets here, and then we will create a table and a matrix such that we can click on any of the continent to get the number of the events, right? So first check if the connections are made. So if you can see, we have to make connection between event country ID, this country ID here, right? I will click OK, and then the continent ID we have in here. Continent IDs, country, category name, event name, continent ID. So I will be making the connection from event to country ID here, right? Like this. So now every relation is made. Then let's check what we can do. We can add one table here where we will be just showing the continents from the continent table, the continent name, right? And I can do this as column header, not the column header, but the background color as this. If okay, leave the background color, leave it as white only, and then I will take one more table where I will show, it's not the table, it's the matrix. This is the matrix where I will show the air and the Egypt, right? I will show the air. So here we can take YEAR, air, YE, event date, right? So from here we have the full event date, and then we can take the country name on the columns, right? Like this. Okay, and then we can put number of events. So from event I can name it as count, right? And then event date, event name, right? So if I click any of these like Africa, then it should load these. If you can see, everything is matching. That's how you connect the tables, and that's how the filterization in this works, right? So if you want to give name to this, you can just go here, you can click on the values, or you can just go in the general, click on title, give the name like airs effect like this, and you can increase the value, give the color black, and you can give the background color as something else. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.